Hitting your 40s, 50s, or even 60s doesn't mean you have to slow down. In fact, it's the perfect time to recharge your body and tap back into your strength. With the right game plan, you can boost your energy and unlock abilities you might have thought were gone for good. In this video, we're diving into 9 powerhouse exercises that can totally reshape your strength, posture, and mobility. These moves aren't just about looking better. They help you move better, feel stronger, and stay sharp. And stick around. Exercise 6 is a total game changer. Plus, there's a bonus tip at the end to help you level up your routine even more. Let's jump in. Number 1. Tricep dips. Simple? Yes, but don't underestimate them. Tricep dips are a heavy hitter for building serious upper body strength. If you want a no-fuss move that targets your arms, chest, and shoulders, this is it. All you need is a sturdy bench or chair, perfect for home workouts. As you lower and lift yourself, you'll feel the burn in all the right places and build a stronger connection between your body and mind. That connection, it becomes even more important after 40. With good form and steady breathing, you'll strengthen not just your muscles, but your focus too. And over time, simple everyday tasks, like pushing open a door or lifting something heavy, will feel way easier. Number 2. Push-ups. Push-ups are a classic for a reason. They fire up your chest, triceps, shoulders, and core all at once. And the best part? They're super adaptable. If you're just starting out, try wall push-ups or knee variations. As you build strength, work your way up to full push-ups. The gains go beyond muscle. Research even links push-ups to better heart health. With consistent effort, you'll see toned arms, a more defined chest, and stronger posture. Paired with tricep dips, push-ups create a solid upper body foundation that makes the rest of your training and your daily life feel smoother and more controlled. Number 3. Squats. Let's talk about squats, the king of lower body moves. They hit your thighs, glutes, and core all in one shot. But more than that, they're essential for independence. Think about how often you sit down and stand up during the day. Squats train your body to do that effortlessly. For anyone over 40 or 50, they're especially important for keeping joints stable and protecting your knees and hips. Start with a chair behind you if you need some balance, and work your way up to bodyweight squats. As you get stronger, everyday movements, walking, climbing stairs, lifting bags, will feel like less of a struggle. Bonus? Squats help with posture too. They activate your core and lower back, helping your torso stay upright and easing pressure on the spine. Over time, you'll build a strong, stable base that supports better performance in everything else you do. Number 4. Plank. The plank is one of those moves that looks simple until you try holding it. But that's what makes it so powerful. It fires up your core, glutes, and even your thighs all at once, giving your body a rock-solid foundation. Beyond the physical benefits, the plank builds mental toughness and confidence. It's a challenge, but one that pays off big. Stick with it and you'll feel muscles across your body working hard to hold that position. Doing planks regularly can seriously improve your posture and help stabilize your spine, which is a big deal, especially after 40. Best part? You don't need any equipment, just your own body weight and a little floor space. With consistency, you'll notice your posture getting better, your movements feeling smoother, and even nagging lower back pain starting to fade. It also sets you up for harder exercises like push-ups. So not only are you building strength, you're preparing for what's next. Number 5. Dead hang. Hanging from a bar might not look like much, but don't be fooled. This move is a game changer for your upper body, especially if you're over 40. Just grabbing onto a pull-up bar and letting your body hang does wonders. It strengthens your arms, back, and shoulders while giving your joints a chance to loosen up. Gravity works in your favor here, decompressing your spine and relieving all that built-up tension. You can do it almost anywhere, at a park, at the gym, or with a bar installed at home. If your core is already getting stronger from planks and push-ups, dead hangs are the next smart step. It also boosts your grip strength, which helps in tons of real-life situations. Over time, you'll feel lighter, looser, and more in control of your movement. It even helps with posture and injury prevention, so it's more than just a stretch, it's a strategy. Number 6. This all-in-one exercise hits your strength, endurance, and cardio in one explosive move. You go from standing, drop into a plank, and jump right back up. And every part of your body is involved. Arms, legs, core, lungs, everything works. Or if you're trying to burn fat and boost stamina fast, burpees are your best friend. For anyone in their 40s or 50s, this move can kickstart your metabolism and breathe life back into your training. And if the full version feels too intense, no problem. You can skip the jump or modify the plank to match your level. The point is progress. With time, you'll build strength and confidence, and the sense of achievement after a few sets is unmatched. You'll feel tougher, more agile, and ready for whatever comes next. Number 7. Running in place. Don't underestimate running in place. It's super simple but incredibly effective, especially when space or time is limited. You can do it anywhere, your living room, balcony, even during TV commercials. Just turn on some music, find your rhythm, and start moving. It's a fantastic way to warm up your body and get your heart pumping. This move strengthens your legs and core, pairing perfectly with earlier exercises like squats and burpees. Plus, you can scale it however you like, from a light jog to high knees or butt kicks for a bigger challenge. That flexibility makes it great for staying consistent. You can mix it up, break a sweat, and keep things interesting, all while giving your heart and lungs the workout they need. Simple, effective, and always ready when you are. Another huge benefit? You get that endorphin rush, that feel-good high that lifts your mood, boosts your energy, and leaves you feeling more alive throughout the day. Number 8. Lunges. Lunges are a powerhouse move when it comes to building lower body strength. They zero in on your legs, glutes, and stabilizing muscles, all while giving your balance and coordination a solid boost. The movement is simple. Step forward, lower your body with control, and push back up. But don't let the simplicity fool you. Lunges are fantastic for correcting muscle imbalances and improving body awareness, something that becomes even more important after 40. Another big plus? Lunges strengthen the muscles around your knees and hips, offering support that helps protect your joints over time. That's why they should be a staple in any smart workout routine. They're also incredibly flexible. You don't need a gym or equipment, just enough space to move. And when you're ready to up the intensity, you can add weights or switch things up with lateral lunges or reverse lunges. Paying attention to your form, especially alignment and control, does more than just strengthen your body. It actually helps improve your posture too. As your legs and core grow stronger, you'll notice daily activities like walking, climbing stairs, or carrying groceries become much smoother and a whole lot easier. Number 9. Glute bridge. If you've been sitting for hours every day or just feeling stiff in your hips and lower back, the glute bridge is exactly what your body needs. This move targets your glutes, hamstrings, and core, helping to build strength in areas that support your spine, stabilize your pelvis, and improve posture. And the best part? It's beginner-friendly and doesn't require any equipment. Just a floor in a few minutes. Here's how it works. Lie on your back with your knees bent, feet flat on the ground, and arms by your sides. Then press through your heels and lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Hold for a second, then lower slowly. That's one rep, but after a few, you'll definitely feel it. The glute bridge might look simple, but it delivers serious results. It strengthens muscles that often weaken with age or too much sitting, helping to relieve pressure on your lower back and improve how you move throughout the day. You'll notice better balance, stronger hip support, and more control in exercises like squats and lunges. Even walking and climbing stairs start to feel easier. Want to level up? Try single leg variations or add a weight across your hips for extra resistance as you get stronger. But even the basic version builds a solid foundation for mobility, injury prevention, and long-term strength. If you're serious about strength and staying pain-free, subscribe and turn on the bell. Your future self will thank you. Want more? Tap join for members-only workouts, advanced routines, and premium content. Bonus: yoga. Now, after all that hard work, let's talk about recovery and rejuvenation. Yoga isn't just stretching. It's a full-body reset that connects your body, mind, and breath. For anyone over 40, yoga offers incredible benefits, from building strength and flexibility to improving mental clarity and stress control. Each pose works different areas of the body, helping you release tensions, stretch tight muscles, and improve balance. Picture yourself in downward dog, deep breathing, calming your thoughts as your spine lengthens. Or standing in tree pose, training your focus and stability, both key for staying strong and functional as you age. Yoga also teaches powerful breathing techniques that reduce stress and anxiety, something we all need more of. And it aids recovery too, easing soreness from tougher workouts and protecting your joints long term. The best part? You don't have to be super flexible to start. Just showing up and moving with intention can shift your entire mindset. Incorporating yoga into your weekly routine is like hitting the reset button, physically, mentally, and emotionally. With these 9 exercises plus the bonus of yoga, you've got a powerful toolkit to transform how you move, feel, and live. Each move is designed to boost strength, unlock mobility, and refill your energy tank. Stay consistent. Listen to your body. And as you build momentum, don't be surprised when you start feeling stronger, more capable, and mentally sharper every day. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new workouts and tips. Let's keep getting stronger together. See you in the next video.